welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Essa and I am crazy about DIY. So this week I got two really simple DIYs that I was able to pull off in less than an hour for both of them combined. So if you haven't noticed the change in the background, I'm talking about these two pieces over here, DIY wall art. So I am actually really proud of these two, and today I don't want to ramble on so much. So let's just head on over to the video and then we can talk afterwards. Just started out by drawing out what I wanted, and then I am placing my main paper, the black one, under it, because black is hard to draw on, so that's why I use the white first. And then I'm just going to cut out the design, and yeah, so while I cut it out, it's going to go through the black one as well. So that's it. And while you're cutting, you make sure not to cut the points, the tips. You only cut the inside parts. So once that is done, you just lift it off, and as you, I don't know if you guys can see, but it has also cut off the black, so it's just a matter of enhancing the cuts. Once you're done cutting, you're just going to be folding the paper just a little bit so that the paper that you will place under can be seen. So guys, next we are just going to take the base of whichever paper, whichever color you want to be the base of your frame, not frame, like of your project. So yeah, I just wanted yellow, and then I am going to turn it to the textured side. So once that, I'm just going to put this under, and this is the reason why we're folding, so that the yellow can just peek through, but you don't want it to be sorry, you don't want it to be too much. You just want it to be like a bit in there. So yeah, so now I'm just going to glue these ends together, and then because I don't have a frame at the moment, this is going to be at the end of this DIY, but if you have a frame, feel free to put it in. So once I put it in a frame, I will show you guys, but for now, that's just it. So I'm just using some paper glue. So guys, for the next project, I need paint. So this is how they look like. There's the red, the green, brown and yellow. So they're just student paint. Just pretty normal, not acrylic, just normal paint. So you need that first of all. Then I'm going to use a plate where I'm going to pour the paint on. And last but not least, the canvas sort of. So this is just an old, it's a frame for an old picture that we had that fell out and the glass broke. So I'm going to use it for this DIY. It's pretty big, but you can use a small one if you'd like. Yeah, so it just depends on your preference. So the next thing I need is Zaria's feet.
My feet!
Yes.
No!
Yes. So guys, I have the plate here. I am just going to start off by pouring
Hakuna penti ingine.
So that is just basically what it is, and then I don't want it to really mix, but I want it to collide. So I've mixed them with water.
What water?
So, kuja mama. So for the next part, she's just going to step on the paint and then step on the frame. So guys, for the next step, what I want to do is basically just write a Z here. So yeah. So guys, I have just searched how I would do Z in a calligraphy like font. So I just want to copy this. Just want to copy this and draw it here. was it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, I hope that you learned something new. So if you do, give it a try. Please tag me on one of my social media handles, because I'd really like to see how you guys get along with this project. So for those who are feeling like, for those who don't have kids, don't feel the pressure of going to borrow your neighbor's kids. Just do something that is personal to you. It could be your spouse's, your boyfriend's print, or yours yourself, or someone that is just close to you. It doesn't have to be your child, because I'm putting into consideration those of you who don't have kids. And for this as well, just do something that is personal to you. If you like dogs, if you like flowers, if you like clouds, anything goes with this design. So I'm really hoping to see you guys try it out. And yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, there are so many more of you to watch, so just head on over to my channel and go through as many videos as you'd like. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Have a good afternoon, and I'll see you again next time. Goodbye.